Hi, lovely people. Let's simplify this. Okay, I'm going to do that using two methods. So I would like you to tell me the one you prefer in the comment section. So note that 35 can be expressed as 7 multiplied by 5. Okay, all right. So we can express this as square root of 7 multiplied by 5 plus square root of 5 divided by square root of 7 multiplied by 5 minus square root of 5. Okay, now I want you to note that when you have square root of a multiplied by b, that this is same thing as square root of a multiplied by square root of b. Yes, we can actually separate them. So if we do that, we have that this is equal to square root of 7 multiplied by square root of 5 plus square root of 5 divided by square root of 7 multiplied by square root of 5 minus square root of 5. Now we have 5 here and here, so let's factorize that out. So if we do that, we have root 5 here, open bracket, when this is divided by this, root 7 will remain, plus when this is divided by this, we have 1 divided by, so we have square root of 5 as well here, open bracket, when this is divided by this, we have square root of 7 minus when this is divided by this, we have 1. Okay, now this is equal to, I hope you can see everything. So when you look at it, notice that we have root 5 here and we have root 5 here, so they can actually cancel each other. So we have root 7 plus 1 divided by root 7 minus 1. Now when you have a surd as your denominator in algebra, you are expected to use the conjugate of the surd to multiply both up and down in order to rationalize the denominator. Now the conjugate of this is root 7 plus 1. So we are going to multiply up and down using root 7 plus 1. So we multiply and divide, let's call it, say it like that, with root 7 plus 1. So we are going to say multiplied by root 7 plus 1 divided by root 7 plus 1. Okay, so this is equal to root 7 plus 1 squared, right, divided by root 7 minus 1, that is this, multiplied by this, which is root 7 plus 1. Now when you have root a plus root b, when you have a plus b raised to the power of 2, this is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, now in this case our a is root 7 while our b is 1. So let's go ahead and solve or express. So let's solve. Root 7 squared is going to be what? Oh no, let's write it out. So root 7 squared, okay, plus 2ab, that is 2 multiplied by root 7 multiplied by 1, plus b squared, that is 1 squared, everything divided by, now when you have this two conjugates multiplying each other, a number and its conjugate multiplying each other, this is same thing as, so when you have, let me write it this way, a minus b multiplied by a plus b, this is equal to a squared minus b squared. So you are going to have difference of two squares. Therefore we can rewrite this as root 7 squared minus 1 squared. Now this is equal to, here this we cancel this, so we have 7 plus 2 times 1 is 2, so we are going to have 2 root 7, all right, plus 1 divided by root 7 squared, this we cancel this, we have 7 minus 1 squared is still 1. Okay, now if this is the first time you're coming across this channel, please click on the subscription button and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss our amazing videos, and please give us a thumbs up if you actually enjoyed this video. Thank you very much. Now let us continue. So we have 7 plus 1 will give us 8, all right, plus 2 root 7 divided by 6. So this is equal to, let's factorize the numerator. So we have 8 divided by this is 4. This divided by 2 will just leave us with root 7. Everything divided by 6. Okay? Alright. Now 2 we divide this to give us 3. So we have 4 plus root 7 divided by 3. Now this is the answer. Remember, I'm going to solve it. I said I will be solving it using 2 methods. So this is the first method. So stay put while we solve for the second one. Okay? Alright. Now using the second method, we are going to just solve straight. Okay, we just solve straight and factorize and rationalize straight. See what I mean here? So we are going to rationalize the denominator. Okay, and to rationalize, we are going to multiply and divide using the conjugate of the denominator, which is root 35 plus root 5. So it's going to be equal to root 35 plus root 5, okay, multiplied by, okay, let me write it this way. So we have root 35 minus root 5, okay. So we are going to multiply by what? Root 35 plus root 5, the conjugate, and divide by root 35 plus root 5, all right. So this is equal to, this multiplied by itself is what? Root 35 plus root 5 squared divided by, now we have difference of 2 squares here. So we are going to pick root 35 and we are going to square it, minus root 5, and we are going to square it as well. All right, now let's draw this thing. So we have a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, right? So it's going to be root 35 squared plus 2ab, that is 2 multiplied by root 35 multiplied by root 5, plus b squared, that is root 5 squared. Now everything divided by this squared. So this we cancel this, we have 35, minus this we cancel this and we have 5. Okay, so this is equal to, this we cancel this, we have 35 plus 2 root 7 multiplied by root 5 multiplied by root 5, because 37 is sent as root 7 times root 5. So I simplified it straight. Now this we cancel this, we have 5 divided by 30. So this is equal to 35 plus 5 will give us 40, okay, plus root 5 times root 5 will give us 5, multiplied by 2 root 7, all right, everything divided by 30. Now this is equal to 40 plus 10 root 7, because 5 times 2 will give us 10, divided by 30. Excuse me. So I don't know, let's continue anyways. All right, now when you look at this, the common factor here is 10. So we bring that out. 40 divided by 10 will give us 4, plus this divided by 10 will give us root 7. Okay, now divided by 30. This is equal to 10, we divide this to give us 3. So we have 4 plus root 7 divided by 3. So you notice that we have gotten the same thing. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.